guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I thought I'd just give you a quick little update and let you know what's been going on here at the farm. We have been pretty busy doing kindness jars every Friday that go out to various hospitals and old people's homes, and I have a wonderful volunteer called Caitlin who helps me do that. Also, Hugo has still been working here at the farm, and this is our work experience student Deegan, and these guys have been helping me do a lot of the chores over the winter break. They come from a school that I work fairly closely with, and we do a lot of sustainability education, especially around flower farming. And this is my wonderful volunteer Amy. We've been doing a lot of planting this year, so we've popped in lots of extra chrysanthemums and irises. We've also been really busy at the flower stand. Over winter, I sold quite a lot of dried flowers, which was a real experiment for me. We've not done that before, but usually over winter I close, and this year we trialled dried flowers that we had dried over the summer period and sold those, and it was a real success and was great. While we had no fresh blooms, we could sell those. So for now we are back into fresh blooms, which is great. It's been a really busy start to the season, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of the season ahead. Hey everyone, it's Anita here from Flowerfolk Farm. This is Sadie, this is Pip, and come and have a look at these. I've got something to show you. I've just harvested something. You're gonna love it. Look at these beautiful bearded iris. Aren't they gorgeous? This blue one is called Absolute Treasure. And this gorgeous blush coloured one is called Other Side of Heaven. And these guys have just started to bloom. I'm actually growing them just up over in the flower field there. And I've just harvested these for a very special order for a 60th wedding anniversary. And I'm going to show you how they look in the bouquets at the end of this video. Just come for a little wander with me. I'll take you up and show you just some of the other varieties I've got. Aren't they being very good? It's not always like that. So, 2 weeks ago, I had the most amazing privilege of being able to visit the farm where I purchased these beautiful bearded iris from, and I got to meet the grower. The farm's name is Springview Iris. I'm going to leave all the details in the description, so please pop over and have a look and follow them on Facebook. Katie shows a whole range of beautiful bearded iris that they sell from there, and you may even see some of those that I showcased today in this video as well. Just an amazing place. I've never seen anything like it, and Katie was just absolutely gorgeous. Really lovely to meet another flower grower and be inspired by what she's created at her little farm. It's just next level amazing. Just walking through aisle upon aisle of spectacular colours and varieties of bearded iris. It was pretty amazing and a day I won't ever forget. And I just wanted to share that with you and show you some of the beautiful things we were able to see that day. We also got to visit a really amazing lookout, so I thought I'd put some of that in as well so that you can just have a bit of an idea of what's around the area if you ever go and visit Springview irises. So for now, just go make yourself a cup of tea and just sit back and relax and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful farm and these beautiful flowers.